Well, I'm back, and it's good to be back. Also, the camera is Alright, well, you can't see the desk anymore because I've actually got a proper tripod now. That's weird. Also, you can see all the shit over there even more, so I'm just gonna move my chair. There we go. Well, you clicked on the video, I'm back, and I'm ready to do another tutorial. Pip-Boy 2000 Mark 4? I guess, from Fallout 4. I got a question. If the Pip-Boy 3000 in Fallout 3 was called the Pip-Boy 3000A model, why would you go from calling it 3000A to 3000 Mark 6? Wouldn't it? Why am I asking this? Bethesda always fucks up the lore. Like, it doesn't surprise me anymore. But whatever. All right, we're just gonna talk about how to make it. And yeah, so let's get right into it. You want to get a knee pad, like for biking. One of the ones that are kind of like full all around. Get some sort of reflective plastic translucent thing, something similar to this, or some sort of screen, or even a phone that you're not using anymore. All right, you wanna get foam, EVA foam, things like this, just to use like little scraps and bits of it. You want to get a couple bottle caps, like plastic ones, like this. And just get little scrap materials, things like that, and what I did for the back, pieces of a wetsuit. But anyways, so here's what you want to do. First, you want to stitch in around the fabric area in the back that isn't, the full thing. Then you want to rip out the actual shin guard, or not shin, knee guard. The actual guard piece, the big round plastic part. And then you want to paint it brown, or, more of a greenish brown type thing. Scuff it up a little bit if you want. Then what I did, I took the wet suit parts, put this over the back, and then put a very large piece on the inside to help expand it a bit and make it a lot tighter on my arm. So then I took some foam, or I took the plastic piece, put that over top of it, put some of the foam pieces around it. I took a bottle cap, or a couple bottle caps right here as one of the knobs. Then this dial right here is a is a piece of foam. And the other foams, like this one, this is the radio, display. And this is the radiation, or the Geiger counter, I should say. Another knob here made of foam. Then this little, I guess, USB thing. Ooh, it's a very small flashlight in a bottle cap. You could probably do something with mostly bottle caps. And then a wire. And then I painted it white. And then right here is like this piece of plastic that I painted. And then another piece of foam for like the metal hinge look. It doesn't actually open or anything like that. I just slide my arm into it. But it's not horrible. In my opinion, you may think it looks like a total piece of shit, but that's you. That's whatever, man. You do you. I'm gonna do me. So this one's a bit short, but good news is I'm back from vacation, and y'all can expect some more videos soon. So, thanks for watching.